Now Central Oregon's local alert weather with Katie Suniga.
Looking at the watches and warnings, seeing the area within Central Oregon that's still underneath that red flag warning, also known as a fire weather warning, just for about a little more than an hour and a half. And we're expecting things to just calm down enough to where this can go away as we get cooler and get into the evening and our winds slow down. I'm sure you've noticed the temperatures were cooler today, but our air quality has not been quite so good this afternoon and into the evening as we have that fire that's burning out to the west. I believe it was a Waldo Lake. So our temperatures are cooling, but our air quality is not doing so well. We've had some stronger winds at the surface, which has not been our friend in bringing that smoke within the region. And it's been going in a sort of a funnel, really. Not all of Central Oregon is being blanketed by it. You can see the last of the showers moving on, but we do have that system there, the airflow that's bringing that smoke right up and funneling it through parts of the region. See right here, this upper level wind flow, that is not helping. And then we have this coming down. So we have two funnels happening, one right here and one right here. That is what is contributing to us not only seeing the smoke move in, but be as dense in certain areas and not spread out all over everywhere. And we have this trough dropping down. This ridge is moving up. It squeezes it almost a bit as we get into Friday. So pretty much as long as we have these fires burning, you can expect to see the smoke in the region. And this shows you how the air is moving this up and over, and then we have this air coming down through here. So we have this interesting pattern that we have right now that was different than what we had a couple of days ago when we were looking at the smoke in the air. When you take the smoke out of the equation and you look at just the clouds, by the time we get to tomorrow night, you'll notice that we stay fairly clear. On Friday, we do have those showers that possibly move through to our south, but at this point, it does look like we stay fairly dry and clear. Hopefully, it'll stay that way. As much as I love my thunderstorms, I do not want to see any more lightning strikes that could potentially start fires. The temperatures for the next couple of days will be much cooler than we were last week. But we only get to keep them for a couple of days before we have a quick warm up. Here's where our temperatures are right now. We're in the low 80s in Sisters to the upper 80s in Prineville, and then we go all the way up still into the 90s in Warm Springs. And the path of that smoke right now is coming from right over here, and it's literally funneling right up. We start picking some sensors up through the Tethrow area. The worst smoke air quality that we have right now is in Terrebonne, and then it comes through Redmond and then kicks out to Prineville. So if you're Madras up and below Bend and Sisters, your air quality is either good or moderate. If you're in the other areas, you're all the way up to very unhealthy. Here's a look at that overnight temperature profile. We do get the temperatures down pretty cool tonight, back to average, which we have not seen for a while. Tomorrow's daytime temperatures, we do continue average. You can see us right there at 89 in Redmond. That is the average temperature. Keep that through Friday. Start warming Saturday. We could see triple digits by Sunday and into Monday.